Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to take length and breadth of rectangle and print area and perimeter. So given input to your Python program, that is length and breadth of a rectangle. So these are the two values as input to your Python program. So your task is to print the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable L and use the input function called to ask user to enter, that is enter rectangle length. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert it into a floating type value. Yeah, so once we are done getting the length, so let's take another variable b and use the same input function call. So let me copy paste the same. So let's say enter rectangle breadth. Yeah, so just a minor change. So once we get length and breadth of rectangle, so let's try to calculate area. So let's take area variable and let's try to multiply length by breadth. So this will give us the area of a rectangle. So now let's try to take another variable, that is perimeter. So this is a variable, and in order to calculate the boundary of rectangle, so let us take that is length plus the breadth, and we have to multiply this with the 2. So let's take 2 multiplied by, that is length and breadth will give you a boundary line or perimeter of a rectangle. So once we get area and perimeter, so let us try to print it. So let's use a print function and let's say area of rectangle. Let's give colon and percentage point to f. So let's try to floating, that is float format, and let's try to print the area. That's a variable. So now let's take another print function to print the perimeter. So let's say perimeter of rectangle. Let's give colon and again same percentage point to f and percentage perimeter. So this is the final variable that we are trying to print. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to take length and breadth of rectangle and print area and perimeter of a rectangle. So let us try to run this program and let's see how it works. So enter the rectangle length. So let's give 2 and 3. So you can see area of rectangle is 6 and perimeter of rectangle is 10. Closing it. So now let's give some floating point values. So let's give 12.45 and breadth of rectangle is 11.8989, something like this. So you can see area of a rectangle is 148.14 and perimeter of rectangle is 48.70. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to take length and breadth of rectangle and calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.